is my pleasure to welcome you all for the opening of the Canberra Fujitsu Digital Transformation Centre.
The Enable and Fujitsu story better together is going to be excellent for our customers within government. The DTC will bring outstanding value in form of experience. Digital transformation is about business value, and the DTC is going to start with that in mind and bring all stakeholders together to understand what that value is and bring it to life.
We wanted to have a space that our whole defence ecosystem could come in and take advantage of. We can't do this alone. Defence can't do it alone. FedGov can't do it alone. We're going to have to band together. So this is but one of those rooms that we can facilitate.
We are not only opening this for the purposes of Fujitsu to showcase our technology, but for the purposes of the Defence Force to use this to help you solve some of the biggest problems that you're facing.
Defence is going through a massive transformation of its own, like everything's up for grabs now as far as the way we work, and definitely in the centre of all of that is the technology we are using and the data that's key to that asset being used really, really well. And we've got to have a really clear purpose to our transformation work, but also one that we can sell well to the skills we want to bring in, and heavens above the skills we want to retain.
Then we combine business and technology expertise to really develop a quick concept that we can then take into experimentation. We start with human collaboration and creativity.
The DTC provides a unique space for our customers to collaborate on innovation. It's a space where they can work together to accelerate their growth or improve their processes in a safe space.
Human Centric Experience Design is at the core of everything we do, because we want to ensure that our technology solutions meet business and user needs. That's why running discovery workshops with our clients is so important.
We're a trusted partner for defence and public sector, and we've created this neutral space so that we can bring our customers together and bring the best of Fujitsu, as well as an ecosystem of our customers and suppliers, both in and out of IT, to work together on solutions.